The FANTESTICRYAN small bird statues are a delightful and elegant choice for anyone looking to add a touch of modern charm to their living spaces. These gold home decor figurines are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also versatile, making them a great fit for various rooms and settings. Upon unboxing, you'll notice the attention to detail in these small bird statues. The modern style is evident in their sleek and simple design, which add a contemporary twist to a classic bird figurine. The gold finish is not overly flashy, providing a subtle yet luxurious feel. One of the standout features is their versatility. Whether you place them on a living room console, a bedroom dresser, or an office desktop, these birds seamlessly blend into the environment. Their compact size ensures they don't overpower the space, making them ideal for those seeking a subtle decorative accent. The quality is impressive for the price point. The statues are well crafted and feel sturdy, ensuring they can withstand regular handling and use. The gold finish is consistent and doesn't appear cheap or tacky, which is often a concern with decorative items in this price range. In terms of styling, these birds can complement a wide range of interior design themes. Their modern design and neutral color make them an excellent choice for minimalist, contemporary, or even traditional spaces. They add a touch of warmth and elegance without being too bold or intrusive. For those who appreciate the finer details, the FANTESTICRYAN small birds offer a unique and artistic touch. The subtle curves and delicate features of the birds are beautifully captured, making them a pleasure to admire up close. Overall, these small bird statues are a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a stylish and affordable decorative piece. They offer versatility, quality, and a touch of modern elegance, making them a great addition to any home or office space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.